Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Heather and this channel is all about women and all the things that affect our lives on a daily basis. And we do a lot of stuff on here with makeup and beauty and life hacks and food hacks, kitchen hacks, parenting tips, marriage stuff. I mean, everything that affects us all the time. So I hope that you will join our family here, and if you haven't subscribed already, hit that red subscribe button and the bell, and then you'll be notified of all upcoming videos, which I post on every Tuesday and Thursday. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. Today we're talking a beauty hack, and it's a hair hack that'll help get your hair dry and styled in half the time with less hassle, way easy, anyone can do it. And if you're interested in finding out what that is, stay tuned and let's do this. All right, so I have terrible hair. I have hair that I not so fondly refer to as witch's broom hair.
We brought you the broomstick of the Wicked Witch of the West.
It's not that it's damaged. It really is just sort of coarse, frizzy hair. And I cannot air dry my hair, ever. I mean, I can, but then it looks like this. So like going to the beach or being in a pool and then getting out and letting it dry, not pretty.
Look at this.
You're speechless now, aren't you?
So I have to do something with it. I have to blow it dry, and then usually when I blow dry, even with a round brush and all the techniques that I've been trying to do, it still needs to be flat ironed because it's still frizzy, and then it sticks up. I probably have hair sticking up right now. I mean, just, you know, ignore that. I'll just go a little taller. Yeah, you can't see it now. Anyway, I have to do lots of stuff to my hair to get it to obey. So when I was online, I saw another YouTuber who was reviewing a new Revlon hairdryer, and it's one of these ones that has a round brush attached to it. And usually these things are really gimmicky. They don't work. They actually damage your hair, like the flat irons that have brushes in it, or the ones that you can use wet to dry, which pretty much just fries your hair. So I was a little bit skeptical about it, but I liked the bristles on the brush because those are the kind that actually will go through my coarse hair and grab onto it and keep hold of it. So I thought I would give it a shot and see if it actually works. So here's what happened. Okay, so I am here in my bathroom and we are trying out the new Revlon hairdryer that has basically a round brush on the end of it. Most of these ones that I've tried out before I have hated. They're very gimmicky, they don't work, but this one has the type of brush that I actually use on a regular basis for brushing my hair. So we're gonna try this out and see how it works. It does have a very big handle, so it's kind of cumbersome, but we're gonna try it out. I've got my hair sectioned off and we're gonna see if this makes drying your hair a whole lot easier. Here we go. I'm gonna put this on the highest setting. There's a cool, low, and high. There's high. Wow, that was so easy. You don't have to hold a round brush and the hairdryer. Let's keep going. Also, I have my son filming over here to get different angles.
What's up?
That was a close-up. Okay, so I'm gonna turn around so you can see what I'm doing and he can film the back of this. All right, so let's do the next layer. Okay, I'm gonna try it on low because the high is very hot. It's really hot, which is good because it works, but let's try low. Okay, you guys, I'm totally done and I am impressed with this thing. There are very few hair dryers or very few times when I can do a blowout on my own head. It's so awkward with the brush and getting in the back, and then it's still frizzy because my hair, again, is a witch's broom and it's still frizzy, and so then I still have to go back over it with a flat iron just to kind of smooth it out. And I mean, I think this is pretty good. I don't think I would go
back over with it at all with a flat iron. So not only did it work with only needing a hairdryer and not needing a flat iron after that, so that saved me time, it actually took me literally half the amount of time it takes that I normally take for blowing out my hair using this, because I didn't have to, you know, set it down, get my brush ready, put it over both hands. This thing is awesome. I love it. Check it out.
Oh my gosh, you guys, it is so fun doing this with my boys. Jacob was like, can I just be in this video? I want to do it. And I'm like, well, let's photobomb. So, I mean, they're just so much fun. I hope that you guys love seeing them in here. It's really, really fun to do. But anyway, it works so good. I'm so impressed with this thing. I can't believe that it works this well.
You like that? Huh. You like it?
I give this a big thumbs up. This is not sponsored. I bought this myself at Target, and you know, nobody knows that I'm making this review except for you guys now. So I would say try this out. It's $59.99 at Target. Now, I got the last one when I was there, and then when I went back a week later, they still hadn't replenished it. So I'm gonna try and find an Amazon link that I'll put in the description box in case you don't see it at Target or Walmart or wherever it's sold, so then you can get it on Amazon. That is an affiliate link. I do get a little bit of a kickback if you order from there, but there's no pressure for that. I got mine at Target. So I'm just trying to make it easier for you guys to find it if you're interested in trying it out. And keep your receipt, try it out. If you don't like it, you can totally return it, but I'm impressed, and I have not great hair. So for people who really can smooth it out pretty easily, this is gonna work really well. So give it a shot. All right, guys, that's everything for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed this, and I hope that this can save you some time when you're getting ready and you can move on to more important things in life and just get done with your morning routine. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and until the next time, stay inspired, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Share this with all your friends, and we'll see you next time. See ya, ladies. This new Revlon, it's Revlon. It's Revlon.